The Ohio County Health Department administrator is pulling no punches when it comes to COVID and New Year's Eve celebrations. Howard Gamble says Christmas gatherings happened in kitchens, living rooms, and dining rooms with people we knew. But he says New Year's Eve is a more social night with events in large venues. For people who have had their vaccinations and boosters, he says you can proceed with caution, bringing a mask along in case you're in a crowd. But his advice for people who have not been vaccinated is dramatically different.
If you're not vaccinated, you stay home. Right now, it's not because we are looking at punishing an individual who's not vaccinated. You're more than likely and more likely to become positive, and then you will be spreading it. If you're not vaccinated, you really need to rethink what you're doing. Make your events even smaller. Stay at home.
He says in the case of big public and New Year's Eve events, the question is not whether you will be exposed to COVID. He says you most certainly will. He says the question is whether you'll become positive, and a lot of that depends on the steps you've taken to protect yourself.